We are working with the folks from Mobile Mitsubishi to show you some of the things that they have to offer. And in doing so, we're taking some ride-alongs. Joining us on these trips is veteran Mobile DJ Matt McCoy, who is now with 92 Zoo, and also helping us with these ride-alongs. We may even pick up a few folks along the way. Take a look. You are taking a look at the all-new 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander. This fun-filled machine is loaded with technology. Blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, forward collision mitigation system, great gas mileage, and you can pack in up to 7 people with standard third row seating. Let's take this bad boy for a ride-along. What's up?
Joey Ma!
How you doing?
You ready to have some fun?
Like that voice you're rolling with. It's a Cajun
Yeah, I was
voice.
trying to do like Justin Wilson. Remember the crazy Cajun chef?
There you go. There you go. Hey, well, and speaking of that, we're talking about the Cajun cook-off in just a little bit. But first, man, we got to talk about Mobile Mitsubishi and this car.
Beautiful car. This is the new Outlander.
Yeah.
It's got the third row seat standard in it, right?
Yeah.
And the great thing about Mobile Mitsubishi, the all-new Mobile Mitsubishi, is it's more of a fun family lifestyle. And I don't even want to call it a dealership.
Yeah.
You know, they know that people have huge car payments, especially if you want a beautiful vehicle like this, gorgeous, to get the family around or, you know, to cart things around. So they're going to make it affordable and fun. Actually fun to buy a car.
And that's what's so cool about it, too, because you talked about affordable. And when you put less money into your car, you can put more money toward other things like that.
Yeah, absolutely. Plus, it comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty and 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. So if it breaks down, it's covered. Or if you break down and have a flat tire, they'll come fix it for you.
Well, not only that, even though you're paying a little bit less, you're getting so much going on here. I like this Rockford Fox.
Oh, yeah,
right,
nice 7-inch touch screen for all of your apps. I mean, it's got the sensors all around it. I mean, it really is a gorgeous vehicle. It really is.
So you want that good sound to hear music. Speaking of music, you're going to hear a lot coming up at the Downtown Cajun Cook-Off.
Tomorrow! Cathedral Square, 25 teams, some of the best Cajun food you ever had, and it goes to benefit the Child Advocacy Center, too, so it's for a good cause.
Yeah, Child Advocacy Center, as we know, supports children and their families who have been victims of sexual abuse, so it goes back to such a great cause.
Right.
But at the core of it, it's one of the biggest events on the Gulf Coast.
Oh, it's huge. It's huge.
Man, the food, the music.
Yeah, entertainment. They've got live bands playing. In fact, I mean,
What's this? What's this all about?
That looks like
who is this?
Brandon and John from the Red Clay Strays.
You want to pick them up?
Let's do another ride along.
Let's do it.
Let's get them.
What's up?
What is going on, Brandon, John?
Fellas, what's going on?
How about you?
We're good.
Oh man, I'm glad we saw you guys. You guys are playing at the Cajun Cook-Off tomorrow.
Yes.
So what is this? Is this like a little rehearsal?
Yeah, we were just out here standing around the azaleas practicing.
Yeah, that's a good place to practice. If folks have never heard the Red Clay Strays before, tell them a little bit about yourselves.
Well, we play rock and roll and country music, and somewhere in between that as well.
We got the car, we got the band. You guys gonna do a little bittersweet memories?
Well, you've been on my mind and in my head.
Yeah.
And I've been rewinding hurtful things that you said.
Preach it, Brandon.
And reminiscing back when you were sweet to me.
Woo!
Well, that's what you call them bittersweet memories.
Yeah!
So you're playing at the Downtown Cajun Cook-Off, right?
Yep.
So the folks can come out, they can get some great food, they can check you all out, and of course, it'd be best to do it in style in a ride like this.
Absolutely, from the all-new Mobile Mitsubishi.
You guys have too much fun.
See that gator walking around?
Oof, that was scary.
Gotta look out. It's
I know.
the Downtown Cajun Cook-Off. We're keeping it Cajun themed. Red Clay Strays, great job. They're so good.
Yeah, they were so good. I've never heard them before. That was my first time.
Yeah, well, they
can't wait to be at the Cajun Cook-Off with them.
We're going to hear them tomorrow at the Cajun Cook-Off. Hope you can come on out as well. And keep in mind to check out the Mobile Mitsubishi if you're in the market for a new vehicle.
Of course, and coming up on Studio 10, we're back in the kitchen with Margaret.